What's good, y'all? I got my wings chopped in half. I call these like my little China cuts because, you know, when you go in a Chinese restaurant, they cut them like this. But call them, you know, two wings when it's actually just a half. Anyhow, I'm out of buttermilk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute. I'm going to use a tablespoon of vinegar, a cup of milk. Let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then that'll be my buttermilk. Got my flour. Got me some paprika, pepper, garlic powder. I like to put garlic in a lot of my foods. I'm gonna add all the dries together in my flour, and then I'm gonna do this air frying thing for the first time and see how it turns out. All right, so y'all wish me luck. All right, y'all, went ahead and got my homemade buttermilk. Let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it over this chicken right here. I got my air fryer already on. All right. All right, I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. So that acid can get up in there from the vinegar. Now you can use lemon juice in regular milk to substitute for buttermilk, but I chose to use the white vinegar. All right, I got my flour, dry ingredients right here. Once I get done with this chicken soaking, I'm gonna put it in the flour, and I'm gonna go ahead and lightly batter the chicken. You don't want to overly batter it, because if you do, when you air fry it, what I'm seeing is that you get flour spots. We don't want that. We just want a light coat on there. It's not gonna be as probably as crispy as fried chicken, but it's gonna be healthier. All right, and then I'm gonna lay. All right, y'all, I got my handy dandy copper pan. Yep, I love this pan, man. It's kind of beat up, but it cooks really well. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna oil the pan a little bit so the chicken won't stick. And I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna coat a little bit, a couple of drops. All right. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of that oil off. It's a little bit. Yeah, no, it'll be all right. Just want to coat the bottom of the pan. You know, nice little coat, just like if you were doing a cake or anything else that you're baking. All right. So I'm gonna lay this chicken on this pan, and we're gonna go ahead and got my temperature, the air fryer going on the stove at 375, and we're gonna see what's up. All right, y'all stay tuned for the finished product. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm flipping this chicken over. As you can see, there's a little bit of flour on the chicken itself. So I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna stick it back in there, and then I'm gonna let it brown all the way around. It's still kind of sticking to the pan a little bit, but all right, y'all. All right, there you have it, folks. I think it turned out pretty good, being that it's my first time doing these air fry wings. All right. Let me know what you think. Once again, please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas that you may want me to try, hit me up. All right. All right, y'all, just to recap, got your paprika going in the flour with the pepper, all your dry seasonings, add you some garlic, mix it all up, a little bit of salt, or you can substitute your buttermilk. Go ahead and wash your chicken, cut it up. You're gonna soak it in the buttermilk. Go ahead and have your air fryer at 375, 400. Should be golden crisp. Flip it over about every 30 minutes. Everybody's air fryer is gonna be different, but voila.